So I'm on Pixel Studio. So now let's create a new fill layer. Go to Pixel and then select new fill layer. And now I'm going to change the color to black. So here it is. And now let's select the artistic text tool, left click, select artistic text tool. And now I'm just going to left click and then type my text. Control A to select all text. I'm going to change the size here to 900. Press enter. I'm going to change the color from here to white. For the font, I'm going to use Arial, regular. And now let's select the move tool. And now I'm just going to center the text. And now I'm just going to import the texture image. So this is the gold texture image I'm going to use. So now I'm going to place it under the text. So make sure the texture is under the text. And now I'm going to select the text layer, this one here. Right click on it. And then select create clipping mask. So here it is. As you can see, it clipped the texture layer to the text. So now we have a clipping mask here. So now I'm just going to select all the layer here, select this one here, left click. I'm going to add some styling to it. So now click on the FX here, layer effects. I'm going to move the layer effects window to the right. And now check the bevel and emboss. I'm going to change the type here to outer. I'm going to increase it. So I'm just going to leave it to 6. And then I'm going to select the 3D here, check the 3D. I'm going to uncheck the chain icon here so that I can move the depth. Left click on it. I'm going to increase the radius. So until you get a nice result. So now I'm just going to move the window here. I'm just going to increase a little bit here, navigator, the zoom. So I'm going to leave the radius to around 13. And for the depth, I'm going to increase it all the way up. So here it is. So you can still, for example, tweak some of these settings here, either the 3D, bevel and emboss. You can also add an outline. I'm just going to leave it here. And now click on the X here to exit. And now, for example, I'm just going to zoom out from the navigator here. And now, for example, you can still change the text here. You just need to select the clipping mask. Left click on the clipping mask, not the layer. Left click on the clipping mask. So now, for example, if I select the artistic text tool, left click, select artistic text. I'm going to double click. So for example, I can change it. Can change the text. So Control A. I'm going to bring it back to its original. So here it is. So now I'm just going to select the move tool. So now, for example, you can select the clipping mask here. Don't select this one here. Select the clipping mask. And I am on the move tool. You can still, for example, change using the move tool here the size of the text. So for example, I'm going to change it to 800 and change, for example, the style, for example, bold or italic, or even add an outline. Can also change, for example, here the font. So here Anton, or for example, I'm just going to trim some text. I'm going to change it to bold.